Hello guys, welcome to this video. We're gonna be talking about Apollo Action Automation for Workflows, which is actually one of our workflow apps that you're about to install with your subaccount and connect to your Apollo platform and execute actions directly from your workflow. So how do we set it up? Inside your subaccount, you go at the app marketplace, you search for the app, Apollo, you go at the install. You come down here, allow and install. The only information required in order to get the connection going is just to provide your API key. But before we go any further though, you can notice we have a smart queue here. That's going to guide you how to get that key, but let's do it together. Let's switch to our Apollo account. We're inside Apollo. We come down here at the settings. You go in integrations. We come down here at the API. We go connect, we go here. API keys. We go and create new key. We can type a name. It's a key. Description. We can put test. Select an API to associate with keyword. You can go for example, save as master key for the compare. We can check all these boxes and we go and create the API key. And we have the key we just created here. Finally, we come here, action. We make sure it's copied. We switch back. We get invested. And we're going to continue. Setting the plan. We would be confirmed. We have an installer, which means that we just connected our tool to our Apollo account, and now we're able to execute actions directly from our workflow for our Apollo account. So guys, if you ever have any question, feel free to reach out. We have a very dedicated team who's also available 24/7 to answer to all your inquiries. Thank you for watching this video, guys.